Okay, so guys, so far we've touched a whole lot of things. Let's see where we've gone. We've done our introduction, we've done our graphic design fundamentals, we've touched colors, and now we're going over to fonts. Okay, I want to talk to us about font and a whole lot of things and all that. All right, so let's hop onto it. Okay, so I think we could stay here. Let's stay here. All right, so um, when it comes to typography, okay, font is not basically the thing you should focus your mind and intention on. Okay, there's something called typeface and there's something called font, which is the more popular one. Okay, but the designers, we talk typeface, we don't talk font. With time you'll be able to transit from being so centered on font to typeface itself. Okay, so typeface is basically the characteristics of a font. Okay, and there are three kinds of typeface: one serif, sans serif, and then script or decorative font. All right, I will show us examples of them shortly. All right, and then font is an example, like an instance of a typeface. All right, so an instance of a typeface. I would not want to bore us with the talk. I will show us what I'm talking about. So typeface is the characteristics or the structure of a font or a font family. Then a font itself is an example of a typeface. Okay, so let's see serif. What is serif font? It means I want to show us online so we could see examples. Okay, so I think this is a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one. Let me use this to show us. All right, so there are three of them out there that I know that the world is aware of. I don't know if there's any other one. Okay, so let me open this image in a new tab. All right, so as you can see here, we have serif. Serif. This is serif. This is sans serif. So serif are font family or typeface that have extra stroke at the end of them. They are fonts like Times New Roman, Georgia, Amano, and the rest. Okay, so typeface they have extra strokes just at the end. These blue parts, this part shaded blue, they are extra strokes added to the larger strokes, and these are what serif font. And meanwhile, sans serif on the other end are fonts or typeface family without a serif. So sans serif means without serif, and serif are extra strokes attached to a font. So fonts like sans serif are like Arial, Arial Black, Verdana, Monserrati, and the rest. Okay, so that's the two kind of um, that's two out of three kinds of typeface we have. Serif, I've explained that they have extra strokes, which are this blue added stuff. Okay, so when we talk about Times New Roman is a font, it's an example of a serif font. Okay, when we talk about Arial, Arial is an example of a sans serif. Okay, so you need to now know them and how to use them. It's always good to create a contrast when designing. You can use what's it called, serif as the main heading and then sans serif for the body or the phrase or any other thing. All right, so let's see the last that's descriptive. Is it descriptive? Yeah, we could use decorative. Sorry, decorative typeface. Right, so let's see an example of decorative typeface. Let's go to images. Let me show us an example. Okay, so fonts like this, fonts that are they are decorative, they are scripts, they are like calligraphy. Those ones are called decorative or what's it called, decorative or script font. Okay, so fonts that are not serif or sans serif, they are categorized as descriptive and script. Why am I using descriptive? As decorative and script font. All right, so these are all on script fonts. As you can see, there are lots and lots of them. They are catchy and beautiful. I love this font, Lupaline. Go look for it. Okay, so that's for typeface and fonts, guys. So every instance of a typeface is now a font itself, like these ones we can see here. But three main categories of a typeface: serif, sans serif, descriptive, decorative, or script font. Pardon me, I don't know why I'm thinking of descriptive. All right, so that's just to introduce us to fonts, typeface, and then font itself. I would put a hold on it now, and then see you in the next video where I'll be talking more about how to combine fonts and ways to combine fonts to get maximum results. Okay, just sit back, relax, and enjoy.